Нашли раненого солдата русского.
This is remarkable. Ukrainians found an abandoned wounded Russian soldier and gave him food.
Покушать. Вот. Миша с Подмосковья. Да? С ногами печаль. Ну, ладно, кушай.
A view from the other side, and to give you an idea how hard it is to advance during this time of the year. Sawataway direction. Mud all over.
Это лучшая работа в мире.
Just a hunt for Russian mercenaries. On November 18, the Scouts, together with the commander of the 249th Separate Battalion of the 127th Separate Territorial Defense Brigade, set up the Ukrainian flag on the state border with the Russian Federation. Kharkiv region. OS-1A Russian thermobarracks on a Ukrainian position in the Lyman direction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.